Mom life. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Julia, aka the Mug Life DIY. I am so glad you guys decided to stop by my channel. Today I am participating with my friend here on YouTube, Instagram, all of the above. She is fabulous, and if you have not heard of her, Sarah from Pajama Crafts. Hello, my name is Sarah and I'm with Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. That's totally not it, but I just love her. She is so much fun. She is so soothing. I will have her channel and her link down below. Today we are doing some Patriotic DIYs, both of our favorites, and I just knew I just knew this would be a perfect opportunity for me to start decorating for my husband's homecoming. So I thought this was an excellent idea on her behalf. Why, thank you, love. And I hope you guys will enjoy this fun collab.
All right, so we're going to jump right into project one. I picked up 3 of these little tin banner signs from Dollar Tree. I picked them up about a month or so ago, so they're fairly new. It's for the holiday, memorial, 4th of July kind of thing, which they have all of their patriotic decor, and I just really liked them. I didn't think they look like they honestly cost $1. I am going to add my flair to it, and I wanted this to be a banner in my living room over my fireplace. So I added some wooden beads that I actually picked up from the thrift store a while ago, and I strung them with some twine, and then I also made 2 tassels for both sides. And then I went ahead and attached my 2 tassels to the ends of my banner. Now, I originally didn't think about painting the beads, but after I saw it all laid out, I didn't quite like the tan color, so what do? I go ahead and take the beads off and paint them. I did several layers of a dark brown, a golden brown color, and then a little bit of a tan dry brushed on top, so that took a little while. And of course I had to do my favorite antiquing style, and it's just adding Mod Podge, a matte Mod Podge, and then sprinkling over some cinnamon to the parts of the flag that I wanted. I also go over, once the Mod Podge has dried, with a burnt umber or brown color over top, and it seals the cinnamon from coming off. All right, this project 2, is an upcycle. If you don't recognize this pink beadboard, well, I will link those videos up above. It was a trash treasure that I found. Someone was throwing out a playhouse stable, like a horse stable. And I have made several pieces with this. This is the back side of it, so I'm just doing what I always do and kind of just paint over it as a base coat, and then added a little bit of gray over top. Now, if you don't recognize this sign, this is also a Hobby Lobby 80 or 90% find last year, and I really loved it. I didn't really have to do much to it. The little stars are off of my last project piece from Dollar Tree, so if you have those in their stash, it is awesome. And someone gave me this tip, and I just ended up burning my fingers, so I don't know if I just did it wrong, guys. I was struggling. They told me to heat up the end of the little hook, and it would help it go into whatever I was trying to twist it into. It didn't work, so I don't know if I just did it wrong. Who knows? Anyways, I went ahead and screwed it in. I wanted to have a little hook so that I can change out this sign. You guys know I love interchangeable decor, things that I can leave up in my home and just change out for the seasons. So you'll probably see me making another sign for this sign. Sign for a sign. And I also finished this off with some leftover rope. This is, I believe, from Dollar Tree. I know you can get rope from Amazon and other places, but this is just what I had on hand, and I love how it just finishes off a piece, and I just went all the way around hot gluing it down. And the final project that I came up with is actually going to be a homecoming slash Father's Day slash for my husband. He is active duty military in the Navy, and he just absolutely loves Sailor Jerry. If you're not familiar with Sailor Jerry, it is a vintage World War I or II tattoo style. It is super popular with pretty much all Navy. My husband actually has a eagle tattoo and American flag, all in this style. So I really thought this would be something fun. You can tone down the colors that I used if you wanted a more neutral painting that you will see that I made. I did print this anchor just off of, I googled it, free anchor Sailor Jerry, and this was the one that I liked, and I printed it out and then just painted it. Now you may have noticed I did use hot glue on it. I just wanted a little bit of dimension to my anchor, kind of give it a little bit of a 3D effect. You wouldn't have to do that, but I liked how it ended up looking. Now this is my inspiration color piece for my husband. He just really loves anchors. He's actually going to be getting one on his hand along with a nautical star, which I also add on the sign. So I'm just adding those red colors and a few other colors here and there, and then I just hot glued it down to my Dollar Tree tag sign. Now I began with almost like an infinity glue symbol around the top. I added my nautical rope, quite fitting, and also wrapped it down at the bottom so it would kind of mimic the rope being behind my anchor. I did add the yellow, which is similar to my inspiration piece, and here are the nautical signs. These were actually glued onto these Dollar Tree tag signs, and they are 3-dimensional, and I just really love them. So I will be painting those also, and I just added a few little touches to kind of give it a more tattoo style look. I also added Anchors Away, which is the Navy fight song. I don't know all of the words, I just know a few of them, and I really liked the Anchors Away. It's kind of like a shout ending Navy. Anyways, I just hand drew it, and I really love painting, so it was kind of just a relaxing time for me to hand paint it. Another way would definitely be if you had a printable vinyl machine, or you printed something out on your computer, or you use the vinyls from Dollar Tree, or you even used a paint marker. Those would all be options. I just really like painting. I know it's a long process, which is why I sped it up. And I just went ahead and glued both of my tag signs with some Dollar Tree Jingo blocks. This gave my two signs a little bit, I'm gonna say it again, I can't even think of what I'm trying to say. It just lifted the sign up from one another so they weren't exactly attached, but I liked how it ended up. I am going to put this probably right on my husband's. I made him a gallery wall of different naval and nautical things in the garage where I've been trying to fix up and finalize his workshop. So I did add some nautical stars, and I just really think it turned out fun. It's definitely something different, so this style is not going to suit everyone, but that's the fun of it, and that's why I really, really love it. And here is my other large interchangeable 4th of July Americana, patriotic, you name it. It turned out really fun, and of course I did have to add another tassel since I'm a tassel girl. I really hope you guys enjoyed this collab that me and Sarah put together for you. I really hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.